gotta be open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one we can
get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
gotta be open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me.
Loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title, we have another wig from Luvmehair, and as you guys can tell, this one obviously has bangs on it, so I'm actually really excited to be showing you guys this wig. First of all, I'm gonna tell you guys all the information to this wig, so let me get that real quick. This is their 24-inch breathable cap, Yaki straight, ultra natural minimalistic lace long wig with bangs. This wig is 24 inches, and as you guys can see, it does have bangs, and the texture on this wig is Yaki straight. And I'm gonna go back in with my flat iron and my hot comb so I can just fix up my bangs a little bit more. Also on this wig, it does have a very realistic part, and there's not a lot of lace on this wig at all. This is literally like all the lace that's on here, really just one little section. Also, you guys can see this hair is actually very shiny and actually like real flowy, which I love. This is a Yaki straight texture, so it's not like, it doesn't feel silky straight. It kind of feels like more textured straight hair. I actually really like it. It's actually very full as well. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it is very full density wig. It doesn't look too like overbearing. It actually like the perfect density. So in this video, I will be showing you guys a few different hairstyles you can do with this wig. I know it doesn't have too much lace on it, but you can kind of, you know, still make it a little cute. So I will be showing you guys that later on in the video, just a few little cute little hairstyles. But for right now, I am gonna just flat iron it a little bit more, bump my bangs a little more. But other than that, this wig is actually very easy. You do not have to do too much. Literally, you can just slap this wig on your head if you want to, just straighten it. So you really do not have to do too much. What I really like about this wig as well is that the cap is very breathable. Showed you guys that in the unboxing as well. It is a very breathable cap. I straighten this wig, like flat iron it. You guys are gonna see like how flowy and beautiful this hair actually is. Alright you guys, so this is mainly how the wig looks with no styling, as you guys can see, and I want you guys to really get into like how silky and shiny this hair looks. Like it feels so soft to the touch, and you guys can just see how it's just glistening. Start getting into some of these styles that you guys can do with this wig, so if you guys want to see a few cute little styles, just stay tuned.